Where are we at, Jacob?
We're at Hyland Hills right now. Best place on earth.
How much snow did we get overnight, dude?
It's like maybe, I don't know, there's like 9 inches, like probably like close to a foot in some spots.
This is what the update is. It's 50-mile-an-hour winds, about 6 to 7 inches of snow.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy.
Yeah.
In March, too.
We'll see how it is today.
Yeah.
It looks disastrous.
A little bit.
But fun. I was telling Charlie we should go hit some chair laps over there to see if there's anything good.
Yeah, I would do that.
There is a lot of snow on the ground, a lot of wind too. We'll see what happens. Oh! That was the biggest bomb of all time. Look at this freaking rail, man. This is like 186 feet rail just for no reason at all. At Hyland. Did you see that bomb hole? That was in.
I almost died.
My back already hurts from that.
Bro, that's.
Ow. It was like boom.
That's gonna be a lot of work.
Any powder to hit probably is all ripped up though. Powder on a park board. Oh, you can feel the wind just hitting you. Charlie, the biggest bomb hole on the rope, dude.
I know.
We gotta go get some untouched stuff over there.
So slow over there. There's nothing over there.
There's no
No new snow.
Oh, on the chairlift?
I didn't try the chairlift. I guess Big Park is all ridden out. Big Park is.
Yeah, okay. Maybe the chairlifts aren't though.
Yeah, let's go around that way.
Objective, just survive. This isn't even snowboarding anymore. This is just survival of the fittest. I'm gonna go into the trees. Yeah, let's see how the trees are. Oh, there we go. Got them. Yo, finally got some untouched powder, but that's a little bit of it. Go, 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 go. Oh, there's some right here. That shows you how deep it is out there right now. Look at how they're just stepping through all the snow. Look at that, like foot deep. It's like this deep right now because like the base is packed down from everybody riding it. Hey, we found some untouched powder.
Yeah.
Was that not an objective successful right there? We did. On the trees, you can ride like a natural slope or whatever, and it's just like 1 second of untouched powder.
Yeah.
I'm scared of heights. No, I'm just kidding, I'm not. I guess Mother Nature blessed me before my birthday. I'm just kidding. That's tomorrow.
Wait, your birthday's tomorrow?
Yeah. Oh! This is what 40 and 50-mile-an-hour wind gets you. Oh! Knocked Avery over. I drove 45 minutes in a 20-minute drive for this. You gotta get one spray at least. Oh, yeah. Oh. 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 We are true powder enthusiasts. Maybe. Stop the chair. Yay! All right. You just sit right through it. You just be like stuck like this.
That's so scary.
I feel like, how would you escape from that? That's butt in.
Help.
Help me. We need one objective. One. We just need to get one big spray somehow.
Right here.
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Bomb in and then just take one spray.
Yeah.
So be careful because of the snow that's back there.
Like right next to the
Yeah,
fence
there's
spray and go right to the chairlift.
Yeah.
Hey, if you're not making any effort on a powder day, that's a joke. If you're not making any effort on a powder day to get to the untouched spots, what are you doing?
So we should try this.
Yeah, we should just go over this real quick.
What are we doing?
Hit the powder.
Okay.
Then you gotta rate it out of 10. This is one of the untouched powder statues. 3. Oh. Yeah! It worked. All right, now you gotta come back up here. How was it?
10 out of 10.
My boots are filled with snow. I have so much snow under my base. I can feel all of it. I feel like I'm an inch taller. I'm gonna go to that one section that we were talking about. Oh, there we go. Oh! I got some now. Got some goods. Oh! Get it, Joseph! Hey! I don't know about this one.
Should I just strap in right here?
Looks just a little bit icy. Just a little bit, not too much though.
Nothing like broken edges here.
Yeah. Doesn't look too bad. Oh, they're just on. Yeah! That's powder! Oh! It's like, yeah, you gotta get like time and all that. Joseph's going crazy. I'm on a park board trying to rip powder right now. It's good. This is absolute cinema. All right, Charlie. Charlie's gonna go for a trick on this tiny jump. Nice. Avery. Oh! All right, Joseph. Let's see it. I'm gonna go for the same thing as Charlie did. I'm gonna go front three in the wind. Woo! Oh, the snow that just came off the tree. Oh. You can almost barely see it coming up. That's cool. What do you call the double Indy? Is that a double Indy or double?
Double grab or something like that.
What's that?
I like truck driver. It's like this.
Yeah. Truck driver, but what if you do it on the same side? What is
I
that?
don't know.
What is that? What's the grab that you did, Avery called?
I forgot what it's called.
I don't know, like double.
Touch your toes.
Touch your toes.
Touch your toes grab.
Oh my gosh, my pocket was open. We were literally just talking about
I just
this.
talked about the pocket check.
I thought it was
Oh my
closed.
God, your phone's still there. You're good. Okay. Pocket check, pocket check, pocket check. That closed up. All right, good. How would you rate the conditions so far? What's the vibe?
Honest? Try
Super
5.
5, yeah.
Five.
But we're making the best
Yeah,
of it today,
we're
which is
making the
why
best
it's at a 5 and not a 3. I would give it a 3 or 4 right now. Avery, what would you rate? Joseph, what would you rate the conditions today? Honest answer.
Probably 5.
5, like
I'd
Charlie
give it
said.
a 6.
A 6, okay. Maybe more optimistic. I could go 7. That'll be a 6 and 7. What's the game plan? We're going over there now.
Yeah, over there. Like go through the park probably.
We have to hit the tree powder section again. All the snow and oh, tomahawk. Woo! The powder. Think you could get speed for this jump?
No.
He's gonna hit the rainbow. Or no. Oh!
Alright, mini park then chairlift or what?
Very chaotic, neutral day. Like chaotic neutral. It's not very chaotic. Like, Gretchen! What are you doing out here?
I'm working.
Avery's about to hit the A-frame. Nope. Oh, this is a Z. Oh, Z rail. Yeah! Hey, the rails are sliding nice, though. Woo! The rails are sliding nice, at least. You good?
Yeah.
Wait, you see what I'm thinking?
Yeah, send it.
It hit the little,
Oh, yeah.
oh! Honestly, since the rails are sliding, I'm gonna say this is kind of went up to a 6 for me.
Really?
Yeah, because the rails are actually sliding.
Yeah, sure.
Right? Hear me out. If the rails were sticky, I would have put it down to a 2.
Yeah, okay.
They
Or
are
3.
pretty good.
There's got to be some hidden tree spots. Oh, like, you know the trees that are over there? Like the, I don't know what it is, those woods. Usually you could go through them. They're like a bike trail path.
Oh, yeah.
We got to battle the long rail for at least a little bit.
Yeah, the lip was cooked on it though. I looked at the lip.
The cooked.
Yeah, the lip was.
So gotta touch it a few times.
Yeah.
All natural skiing. Ooh, wait, you can? Where's that? All natural skiing.
I don't.
That A-frame looks really fun. I've never seen the owl. Yeah, clean ski with a friend. What the heck?
But how do you get back up?
Yeah,
I don't know if that's like meant for it to be right there.
Yeah.
Get the speed, get the speed. Oh. Oh, that thing's massive. I'm gonna hit back one. You hit it?
Yeah, I'll hit it.
Alright, I'll hit it with you. Oh. Oh no, back one. Oh. Avery's down. There's the tree skiing. We gotta go hit the trees. I tried so hard. Oh! Are you on a park board too?
Yeah.
Me too. Everybody
We
is.
all are, yeah.
It's not deep enough for a regular paddleboard. Oh, actually, if you're in the Midwest and you're not riding Lucin, there's no reason to have a paddleboard.
Yeah. Looks like lots of rocks.
What?
Looks like lots of rocks.
Rocks? There's no rocks here. It's branches.
Bro, when we were at Copper, we rode the back bowl, and like it was just pure rocks and trees. It was insane.
No, I believe that because you're on a gravel. It's like gravelly rock mountain. But here, it's just branches, bro. I mean, the worst thing, I don't even want to put it out there, but I'm not going to say it, but you can kind of imagine with a branch that's sharp. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to say it, but I can imply it.
I got it. I got it.
Are you
Chauffeur.
still doing the Deaf Olympics?
Yeah, next year.
Next year, okay.
January 14th to 24th.
Where's it at?
Austria, Innsbruck.
Okay. Sick.
That's cool.
It'd be such a great time.
I like cab 5s.
Cat
I've never
5.
done a cab 7.
Dude, remember the AI video? I've
Yeah.
been battling those for a long time. And I tell you, that's the only trick that pisses me off because it's so easy, yet it's so hard for me. Like, I'd rather do a switchback 5 than a
Really?
cab 5. I can't bend as well as Charlie can. Okay, I think I see it. Yeah! Oh, there it is. Ooh. It's like there's nothing underneath it.
Yeah.
You can feel that.
It all melted away.
Oh, Callum. What up? How's the powder?
Good.
At least you're honest.
Yeah. My back hurts so bad.
Hey, same. I can relate. Whose back hurts? And just how did this O line?
What were you guys saying?
No, you can be honest. I know your back doesn't hurt. You're still young.
Yeah, my back is not that bad.
Joseph doesn't have to raise his hand at all.
I'm carrying the weight of being the coolest pink jacket kid.
Wow. Fair. Pink jacket, orange jacket, neon. What's Magneta jacket? Ah, I'm stuck. Magneta, right?
I don't know.
Purple, teal. No, not teal.
Blue?
I think it's Magneta because it's like a darker shade of blue.
What's Magneta?
Magneta, purple, blue.
Like magenta?
Magenta?
Yeah.
Is that no? It's not. Ocean blue.
Magenta? I thought that was purple.
I don't know.
That's purple. That is ocean. Let me know. I don't know. Comment right here. I don't know what color that is. What color is this? We've been trying to figure this out. Let me know what you think. And if somebody can, if somebody's gonna comment like the hashtag, you know, like how they have the hashtag of the actual color.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean?
No.
Like if you go into Photoshop and they have an ID number for each shade.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a 6-digit number.
Yeah.
They're gonna come to the exact number of that. That'd be funny. That's what oh my god, I can't. Magneta. I can't. My speech is so bad.
No,
Magneta.
I think it is Magneta.
Magneta. That's how you're gonna pronounce it now. Okay, whatever. It's just Midwest powder atmosphere.
This is like the closest to the western riding we'll ever get.
The trick selection for Charlie. That simple.
That's an absolute booter right there.
There seems like there's a little run over there. I'm gonna go check it out.
Where's Dino going?
Oh. 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 Oh, Joseph's gone. Follow the crowd. Oh, there's something right here. Dude, that board design graphic is sick. Is that a Chevy?
Oh yeah, Suburban.
4x4. I love it. That's so sick. Yeah, I'm thinking to hit that 186-foot rail. Part two. What is it?
Part 2.
A little update on the situation. Our ankle strap right here, you can see, it's pretty apt right now. But it's not fully done for. But it's pretty bad. It's in a pretty bad spot right now. This is where we start though. 186-foot rail battle. Just the objective is just to survive this today. But I have a feeling we're gonna try this throughout the week. What's up, dude? I have a feeling they're gonna keep this out for the whole week, right? Here we go. First try on this. Oh, nope, that was a great try, honestly. What did I expect? Honestly, the best first try ever. Jump on, jump off early.
Yeah, the farthest I got is like the end of the second.
To the second rail? Yeah, just past the first one. That's fair. It doesn't really help them. The lip is freaking iffy as heck. No. Oh, okay. That was the first good attempt there.
Do you know sign?
Huh?
I know sign language.
Oh, you do?
That side?
Yeah,
You.
Maybe we can see what Jordan's
Okay.
doing.
Yeah, okay, like side, yeah.
That side?
Let's do it.
I'm gonna go down.
See.
Are you cool?
See, when you do your Ks, you don't do your Ks like this. You gotta do them like on the side, right? So yeah, try it again, but slower. Me, so I, you. What's this one?
That's O.
Hmm?
This is O.
Go?
O.
Oh?
Yeah.
Oh, what's this?
I was taught like this.
Yeah, you gotta go from the side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just did like you can see like it's like a shape of an O. Yeah. What's up, dude? Okay. U K O L E. Yep. K. Yep. T. R. Yeah. I. E. R. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. That was really good, dude.
You put me in the video?
I include you in that. That's it. I'm always trying to learn a little bit more for sure. But yeah, when you sign, think of it like you're showing the letters to someone, right? K-O-L-E. You know what I mean? Yeah. So how would you do your name? My name. Yeah. W-E-N. Owen. Oh, O-W-E-N. Yeah, nice to meet you, Owen. Nice to meet you. That was really cool.
What's the farthest you've gone on the rail?
I haven't even made it past the first part yet. So the 70 foot, I don't know if my goal today is to get past at least that part. But then I'm gonna come back tomorrow and then we'll see how much further I get each day. Oh, dang it. I almost got the 70 foot rail there. I'm gonna try to get home.
Sounds good. Fun ride.
Got to experience it a little bit. See you, Gianni. I'm leaving.
You are?
Yeah. I'm cooked. But yeah, drive safe. I gotta say, what an absolute crazy, insane day here at Hyland. I mean, I popped out here just to hit some powder and it just turned into like weird fest. We're out of here though. Oh, if you guys like this one, this is just like a POV video, but I think the next one you guys are gonna love that video. It's a 2v2 video here at Hyland before the conditions were like this. It's like a slushy day. You guys are gonna love that one. Let me know. Peace out, guys.
Yeah. Whatever I've got, it's been enough to shift to change. I know they're thinking that I'm strange. I guess I am and ain't ashamed. The things are said and the things are done, they have me feel some type of way.